Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I'm doing a quick unboxing, probably a few weeks before I can actually release the video. I was contacted a little while back by Artesprix, and they asked me to try out some of their products and do a quick video and blog post for them, and this is the package that has come in so far. I did get an email from them saying that something may not be in here because they were out of it, and if that's the case, then I will probably include that in the other video. But let me go ahead and get into this because, of course, I get Happy Mail and I gotta open it, you know? That is the hard part. It's like either not opening it or not playing with it. Those are the two hardest things whenever I get anything new in. And this is taped down pretty good. Don't know, maybe it's just my scissors. I mean my blade. No, it's good tape. So let me go ahead and get that open. See what we've got here. And I have no idea what they're sending me, by the way. But I'm already getting a little excited. This is what they said they didn't have. They said they didn't have the ink. So I'm getting a Sublimation ink in black. We've got some heat tape. I think I'm going to put this to the side so I can just take it out of the box and show you guys. This is protective paper. I have seen a few videos on how this stuff works, and this is important. And they gave me 2 rolls of that, so I have plenty to play with. Then we've got some iron-on sublimation inks, ink markers. These are the pastel colors. And these are the black markers. Oh my god. And then these are Nomi botanical markers. And these are permanent thermal transfer markers. Chisel tip. Looking to see if there's anything different. These say iron-on-ink. This one says thermal transfer, which to me means the same thing. Then we've got some blanks. So these are keychains that are in maple. These are in plastic. This one's metal. And then we've got some bookmarks and some bag tags. You know, like when you go to the airport, if you want to have a decorated thing so you can see which one is your luggage, actually. And then I've got some coasters. And then this one is a poly canvas zip bag, which I'm thinking is going to hold a lot of the stuff. And then I've got some sentiment stamps. Now, one thing I did find out, because I watched a couple of videos, of course, that the stamps are different than the ones that we use for regular card making. They're basically in the reverse because of the way that you have to color the image or stamp the image in order for it to transfer correctly. And then I've got a little brown box. Don't know what it is. It's a refill for my ink pad. Okay. And then I've got this. Oh, that tells all the things that I need to know. Welcome to the design team as a guest. Awesomeness. So it's got all my instructions for the guest design spot. Okay, and then I've got a protective mat. That was a ton of stuff in that one little box. Oh my goodness. So anyway, this is what was in my unboxing, and I can't wait to get to play with all this I'm stumbling over my words again. Sorry about that. I am so excited to start playing with these. By the way, if you hear me talk like that at any point, just know it's because I've got two things going on in my brain at once and they're trying to come out of my mouth at the same time and it doesn't work. But anyway, thank you guys for dropping in. You have a wonderful, wonderful day and stay tuned. I will be playing with these and sharing some things up here on my channel before too long. You have a great day. Talk to you later. And remember, if I can make it, you can too. Thanks, guys. Bye.